Today we're going to make 4 common household cleaners, easy, cheap, and simple. Let's do this. Even before inflation hit this year, I was spending nearly 50% of my budget on cleaning supplies. Okay, I'm lying. May I never be that clean. But they are expensive. Years ago, I started making my own cleaning supplies just to save money as a stay-at-home mom, and I've been doing it for 20 plus years. I've never gone back. I'm not as penny pinching as I once was, although I don't like to waste money. But it's easier, honestly, to make my own cleaning supplies than it is to even get in the car and go to the store. It is so easy, guys. And if you look at the ingredients on the back of these, I mean, what even is this stuff? When I make my own cleaning products, I know what goes in them. So I'm saving money, I'm saving time, and I'm saving health. And that's good enough for me. Okay, recipe number 1 is a simple window cleaner. I got these different bottles just to help me quickly identify, because I'm a very visual person, what the cleaner is. And I'm gonna use this blue bottle because it just associated with that blue dye they put in there. So for this recipe, I'm gonna use 1/2 cup of vinegar. I just use a big jug of white vinegar. It's good. And we're just gonna put that in our bottle. 1/2 cup of water. And just 1 drop of dish detergent. I like Dawn, it works really well. I'm not getting any kickback from them, but you know, this is the good stuff. So, but you can use whatever dish detergent you want. And that's it. I'm just going to put my lid on and give it a good shake. Now, on the unlikely chance that anybody besides me wants to clean, I do use chalk labels so that anybody could know what is in the bottles. I bought those off Amazon. I love them. They're super inexpensive. I'll link them below. But does it work? Next recipe is going to be for degreaser, and this recipe is super simple. 3/4 cup vinegar to 1/4 cup of Dawn. Recipe number 3 is your all-purpose cleaner, cleaning counters, cleaning floors, cleaning appliances, whatever. Is really easy. It's just going to be 2 tablespoons of Dawn to 2 cups of water. Just make sure you give it a shake right before you use it. If you're new to my channel, welcome, and please consider subscribing. Click the bell notification so that you don't miss any time, money, energy, or sanity saving tips, and share this if you think someone you know would get something out of it. Now, real quick before we get into our next recipe, if you don't like the smell of cleaners or you just want them to smell good, add 5 to 10 drops of your favorite essential oil. Tea tree oil isn't the best smelling, but it is a disinfectant. Lavender is my favorite. Our next recipe is for soft scrubber. So for this one, I'm obviously not going to use a spray bottle. That would not work very well. So I'm going to use just a cheapy Tupperware container. You can use a mason jar, whatever. Going to be 2/3 cup baking soda, 1/3 cup of vinegar, and 1 tablespoon of dish detergent. Those were your 4 simple, easy, and cheap do-it-yourself homemade cleansers. If you haven't checked out my award-winning novels, please check them out on Amazon or anywhere books are sold. Thanks for watching.